হ্যালো ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু ইনফিনিটি হার্ট চ্যানেল। ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটোরিয়ালের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
Using of anything but. To understand the meaning of anything but will appear below. I had reason in no long time to think that my addresses were anything but disagreeable to her. That is, that they were quite agreeable to her. He was likely to prove anything but an accusation. Thank you so much for joining today's class. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Good luck.